Great Basin Power. I'm at the now closed Anaconda Mine in Yerington, Nevada. Thought I'd give you a view of what's left behind when they decide that they're done. This is just a very tiny portion of this facility. It goes way over there. It goes way over there. And if you look down there, you see a whole tree is buried in that water. That's how deep it is. And want to go swimming? A little chemical bath for you? Anyway, this is nothing compared to lithium mining. Nothing at all. But I thought you should get an idea of what it looks like. Anyway, Edward, Great Basin Power, check it out.